Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Eva hair right here. It's their curly hair with the new fake scalp. So I'm just going to go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes with some goodies. It comes with elastic band. It also comes with bobby pin, and the hair also comes pre-installed with an elastic band as well, with an adjustable pin as well. And this is what the hair looks like, guys. Look at that. I really love the construction of the cap, and the curls of the hair are popping straight from the box. As you can tell, the curls are popping, and also the hair also comes with a center part straight from the box, so you don't have to do anything at all with this hair, because the knot has also been bleached for you, and also the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box. Every single thing has been done for you. This is a kind of a newbie hair, if you allow me to say that. So if you're new to lace wig, this is definitely for you. And as you can tell, the face cap is breathable, it's very lightweight, and you can wash it, you can blow dry it, you can do anything to your hair, even with the face cap as well. And with this hair, you don't need to wear any wig cap whatsoever, because the hair also comes with a fake cap, which is breathable, which is well constructed. The construction of the cap is actually amazing. As you can tell, there's baby hair around the perimeters of the hair as well, and the hair also comes with an elastic strap as well. So it's a glueless wig cap construction, which I really like a lot. But as always, I applied the hair with Darelilian glue. There's no need for you to use glue, but as you guys already know that I always prefer to wear glue. I always prefer to use glue to install my hair, so that I'll be able to have detailed review for you guys by the time I'm editing this hair, as I am doing right now. I'm still wearing the hair right now, and I really love how silky soft the hair is. The curls are still popping despite the fact that I've been wearing it for a while, and the hair is still standing, tough. Like seriously, I'm quite impressed about the quality of the hair so far. The hair is also very full, no tangling, no shedding. Since I've installed the hair, I've not experienced any shedding at all, and the curls are still popping. And I also like the fact that the fake scalp is really looking natural. So the look at that, guys. Look at the curls. I am a fan. I had to show you guys, like, I am feeling the curls, and as I speak to you right now, the curls are still popping, still the same as it was when I installed the hair. So it's left to you if you want to apply any oil on the hair. It's your choice, but I decided to go for it anyway. And voila, I am loving this hair. Like seriously, the quality is top notch. You guys need to have this hair so you can experience what I'm saying. I'll see you in my next one.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Eva hair right here. It's their new face cap Indian Remy hair. So I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about this hair with you guys. Like seriously? Okay, fine, let's just calm down. Let's just calm down because right now I am feeling myself. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please bear in mind that despite the fact that this wig is actually glueless lace cap, I always like to wear my wig with glue so that I'll be able to give you guys detailed review about the hair while I'm doing the voiceover for you guys. So if you're new to my channel, that's the tea about using glue, even though the hair is actually a glueless cap. So my first impression about the hair is the fact that straight from the box everything has been done. I'm like speechless. Like seriously, it's a kind of wig that you just bring out of the box and cut your legs and you are good to go. The hair also comes with an elastic band straight from the box. Like the elastic band has been attached to the wig, so you don't have to worry yourself about trying to find the right place to sew the elastic band on your cap. You don't have to worry about that. They've done all that for you. So all you need to do is just to wear the wig and adjust the elastic band to your head size. That is it. Like seriously, that is it. I actually wore the hair with the elastic band at the beginning of this video just to show you guys how well secure the hair is. And guys, it has 3 adjustments. So if you think your head is too small, go for the last adjustment, and if you think your head might be too big, then go for the first adjustment in the elastic band. So that for me is like a no-brainer. It's amazing. Like seriously, I don't have to worry about my wig falling off on the streets or someone pulling my wig and all that. So yeah, for security purpose, I'm quite a huge fan of that, and I'm quite a huge fan of the fact that they have already sold the elastic band in the cap for you, so there's nothing to worry about when it comes to that. Another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that the lace has also been pre-plucked for you guys, so you don't have to do nothing. Like seriously, what else would you want from a brand that also pluck your hairline? Like Eva's hair is not here to play, guys. They are not here to joke. Like seriously, the knot has been bleached for you, the hair has been pre-plucked, and also the hair also comes with a center. Another thing that I really like about this hair is the fact that the hair is so soft. As you can tell, there has been no shedding, no tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of the hair, I didn't experience any shedding at all. And also, despite the fact that the hair is curly, the length of the hair is the same all through the length of the hair. It's so full and very bouncy, full and voluminous, so it's not scanty whatsoever, or it's not one of those curly hair that you'd apply product and they will fall like that. No, this hair is really popping. Like I am feeling myself. Hair is already getting dry already, just like your own natural hair. So what's there not to love about this hair? Another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that the pattern, guys, the pattern, look at that. There is no need to apply concealer, there is no need to wear wig cap, there is no need to wear foundation on your head. The hair also comes with fake scalp. Fake scalp is like an illusion that makes the hair or the wig appear like your own natural hair, especially in the hairline or in the parts, which is exactly what you guys are seeing right here. As you can tell, it felt so much like my own natural parts. So that's what fake scalp is all about. I really like their fake scalp because it's breathable. You can wash your hair, you can dry your hair, you can do anything to your wig without having to worry about this fake scalp because it is well secured. I showed you guys the construction of the fake scalp at the beginning of this video, and as you can tell, the lace is breathable, so you don't have to worry about that at all. So you can pat the hair anywhere within the 13 by 6 fake scalp area. So I showed you guys the construction so you understand what I mean, right? So yeah, all the areas that have the fake scalp would look so much like your own natural scalp, so you don't have to worry about applying any products on your hair or mess up your hair at all. Just pat your hair and you are good to go. And as for the hairline, guys, show me the lace. Like seriously, show me the lace. This wig is just everything in my opinion, because I like the kind of wig that would showcase my hairline, that I won't have to cover up my hairline because I don't want people to know that I'm wearing a wig. The hairline of this wig is straight on point, which is one of the things that I like about this brand, Eva's Hair. They pluck the hair to perfection, like seriously to perfection. Not those round Instagram wig kind of look. So it's so much like my own natural hair that you can barely tell if I am wearing a wig whatsoever. And I also showed you guys some of the styles that you can go for. You can also go for an half up, half down style if that's the look you're going for. And bear in mind that the hair also comes with baby hair. So if you're the type that like baby hair, feel free to bring out your baby hair at the front. But I just don't like, I'm not just a fan of baby hair, so I didn't really bother to go for that. As I mentioned earlier, you can pat the hair anyhow you like, and you can also style the hair anyhow you like. So yeah, so far so good. I am loving the hair. From the top to the brim, the hair is really full, and the curls are popping. Like seriously, popping. All you need to do is just spray water on your hair and you're good to go. But if you're the type that like the big hair don't care kind of look, feel free to wear the hair the same way it came straight from the box and don't apply any product whatsoever. But if you're the type that like that wet voluminous look, then go ahead and spray water on your hair and apply any hair oil of your choice or mousse if you like. So yeah, in terms of the quality of the hair, I am definitely feeling the hair, and the quality of the hair is amazing in my opinion. Like seriously, I'm still gonna be wearing this hair for a while, and by the time I'll have the chance to, you know, edit this video for you, I'll be able to give you an in-depth review of this hair in my voiceover. So far so good. I am loving the hair. This is my third time working with them. They never disappoint. I definitely recommend them to you guys with like 100% assurance. Don't have any nasty smell to it at all. And also the shipping was super quick, like 3 days to the UK. 3 days, exactly 3 days to the UK. I am loving this hair, and I would definitely recommend Eva's hair 100%. In terms of the length, the hair is true to length. In terms of the curls are popping. In terms of customization is 100%. In terms of the fake scalp is up high there, and in terms of the quality of the hair is 100% in my opinion, and in terms of the shipping already know is 100% for me in my opinion. Like 3 days. Energy is really high in this video because I am feeling myself. I like to go out and, you know, swerve my hair without having to worry about, you know, anything at all, because I am feeling myself. Right, so that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out Eva's hair and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.